We'll call it the market meltdown. U.S. equities are off to the worst start to the year on Wall Street in recorded history. Joining us now to explain how this is impacting the tech sector is Joan Solsman, technology editor at The Wrap. Joan, thanks for joining us today.
Great to be here.
So we've seen two major factors weighing on stocks this year. We've got the slowdown in China, economic slowdown in China, and we've got crude oil prices that have plunged below $30 a barrel. How are these affecting the tech space, if they are at all?
The tech space had such a great year last year that in this time of uncertainty, it has a lot of gains to give up as investors are trying to figure out what to anticipate in 2016. The slowdown in China particularly is going to affect technology stocks because technology stocks have so much opportunity to gain in the Chinese market.
And certainly we've already seen that start to play out with semiconductor stocks, which have a lot of exposure to China, also and some of the suppliers in general to Apple. We've just got a report this morning from UBS saying that iPhone sales may be much weaker than they anticipated. I would imagine a lot of this does have to do with China.
Absolutely, particularly with iPhone sales. The Chinese market has been that great opportunity for Apple investors. It's a gigantic market that Apple has only just sort of scratched the surface on. But if there's questions about whether that exploding middle class isn't quite as exploding anymore, then that draws that into question.
And certainly, when you look at the broader markets and you look at the relationship, the correlation there between crude oil, we've got crude trading below $30 a barrel. And every time it moves lower in recent weeks, it seems equities also move lower. Is this having any kind of direct impact on the tech sector, or is this just a broader market trend?
It seems like it's probably a broader market trend, but that doesn't mean that it's any less impactful on the technology sector. Oil doesn't have a lot of direct correlations with technology's business, other than it would have on any industry where transportation sometimes has an impact and overall disposable incomes have an effect. So even though it is probably a broader market influence, that doesn't mean that it's any less painful.
Yeah, well, Joan Solsman, thanks for joining us today. It certainly seems that as we get earnings season underway, that's going to be the next thing to watch with the tech sector and with stocks in general. Thank you for watching. I'm Morgan Brennan. Have a great day.
Hey YouTube fans, I'm Landon Dowdy from CNBC. Thanks so much for checking out our channel. Here you'll find videos packed with all the info that you need to be smarter about your finances. Be sure and subscribe by clicking right here and click on all the videos around me to see CNBC's original series Young Money, Tech Bet, Kramer's Mad Money, and all the latest from CNBC.